You okay? Oh, shit. All right, I'm gonna come up. He says he's stuck in a cactus. Gonna need some momentum there. Just keep rolling. No, that's a different line. It's gonna have a step up there. You want to take that. Watch where I go. Yeah, if that's easier, he should do that because that's kind of tricky. Nice, man. Awesome. Yeah, he's going to be tired after tonight. Looks like he nicked that cactus. Luckily it wasn't choya, or he'd be wearing part of it home. That's it. The more you stand, the better control you're going to have. Just got to get past that fear factor of being a little higher. You got this, Dave. That's it. There you go. Yeah. Ah. So close. Nice, nice, nice. Good. That's it. You got it, Dave. What the? You okay? Oh, shit. All right, I'm gonna come up. He says he's stuck in a cactus. Cactus couch, eh? He's got a cactus couch. Sure. Okay. So where are your legs stuck? Okay. I got this lever, this handle. Here.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay. Here. Let me get a. I have a comb actually.
You got it?
I got a comb so we can pick some such out.
I'm right in the middle of it. Oh. God, dude.
Yeah. Looks like it was waiting for you. I might just get some for the riding buddies just so they have one in their pack. It's fucking it pulls them all out without getting in your hands.
Yeah.
So yeah, he has no front brakes.